Hello students, welcome to Varsha IAS Academy. I'm your faculty, Pravin Kumar. So जैसे कि आज मेरा डिस्कशन है कुछ पेपर को लेकर। तो अभी 12 फरवरी को जो पेपर हुआ था, इट वाज इन दिस बीपीएससी प्रीलिम्स एग्जामिनेशन ऑन 12 फरवरी 2023। तो उसमें देयर वर 150 क्वेश्चंस। 150 क्वेश्चंस थे। दिस इज आई एम टॉकिंग ऑन द जनरल स्टडीज, राइट। तो इस 50 क्वेश्चंस में से 20 क्वेश्चंस ज्योग्राफी के थे। तो 20 क्वेश्चन 131 टू 150, 31 टू 150। सो आई एम टॉकिंग ऑन द सेट बी। तो ये जो क्वेश्चंस थे ज्योग्राफी के, दिस इज फॉर ज्योग्राफी सेक्शन। So as you all know that I teach only geography, or just right now I am keeping focus on the geography. In future we might have the other discussions also. So let us discuss on the geography first, focus on the geography first here. So there in this part we have seen that number of questions were 20, and as of my analysis the paper was easy. And these questions, or this was based on the concepts. Few factual were there. These factuals were there on the factual information, or the factual questions were there on state geography only. These factual questions were there on the state geography, that is for the particularly Bihar. So let us discuss the BPSC prelims examination question which has held there on the 12th February 2022. So I have already copied the paper. So this is from 131 to 150. From this 131 to 150. So let us discuss the question number 131 is, which of the following states of India border with the maximum number of districts of Bihar? Now you see, you can, if you are not knowing the factual information in that, you see this is Bihar state. In the east this is West Bengal, this is Jharkhand, and this is Uttar Pradesh. Here it is, this is Uttar Pradesh. So this large part has been covered by the Uttar Pradesh and Jharkhand. As this part, that's this extension of West Bengal is from north to south. So this area of the Bihar will have the less number of districts. So as the option is given there, the Jharkhand and Uttar Pradesh both. So there can be more than one of the above. So these two areas they are having. So the answer is D, right? So these two states are having the maximum number of, or the more than one states are having the maximum number of districts, right? So answer of this is D. Question number 132. Which of the following last railway station of Bihar in the train route from the Bhagalpur towards Mirza Chowki? From Bhagalpur to मिर्जा चौकी। अगर आप देखेंगे इसको, तो ये भागलपुर से मिर्जा चौकी की तरफ में हम जाते हैं, तो हमारा लास्ट वाला जो स्टेशन होता है, इट इज आस्किंग ऑन द लास्ट रेलवे स्टेशन और लास्ट स्टेशन ऑन द रूट फ्रॉम द भागलपुर टू मिर्जा चौकी. So this is completely a state geography. That is also there in the transport system. It is a transport network, we can say. This question from the transport network. So answer of this is clearly it is Pir Patani railway station will be the last from the Bhagalpur to Mircha Chowki. Question number 133. With reference to mineral production in Bihar, consider the following statements. So this is Rohtas has the highest deposits of pyrites. This is absolutely correct. So if you see there, the Rohtas region, so this is adjacent to Chota Nagpur Plateau or Jharkhand area. So this is the Rohtas area, and this is the extension of Rohtas Plateau. Rohtas plateau, extension of Rohtas plateau in Jharkhand. Sorry, in the Bihar. So this Rohtas plateau is composed of, or this Rohtas plateau is a part of Chota Nagpur plateau, and this is composed of batholith. So batholith always will have the pyrites. So this statement is absolutely correct. Thereafter, limestone found in the Kamur, uh, Babua, Munger, and Rohtas district. So Rohtas district will be here. So then we will, if we see the extension of Vindhyan range, Vindhyan range. So this Vindhyan range in the Madhya Pradesh is there from, this is Kamur Hills, and this part of this Vindhyan range is extending up to Sasaram district. Sasaram district in Bihar. So this part of this Rohtas district will be there in the extension of Vindhyan range. So eastern part of Vindhyan range, this eastern section of Vindhyan range is composed of, this part of this Vindhyan range is composed of limestone rocks. There is a limestone rocks. There is limestone rocks, right? So in this part here, so there is a deposits of limestones. There is a deposits of limestone, or the limestone rocks are present. So there limestone is found in the Kamur. This is Kamur Hills. This is called Kamur Hills. So this is correct. Munger, yes, and Rohtas district. So this is the western part of the Bihar. So this statement is also correct. Gold deposits are found in the Jamui district. So in some of the places in the Jamui district, we find the gold deposits. So what is the question here? Which of the statements given above is or are correct? So all are correct, right? So more than one of the above is correct. So answer will be D. I hope you have understood why this is answer is D. More than one is correct, so answer is D, right? Next question. Question number 134. So 134 question says, Falgu is sacred river flowing in Bihar, formed by confluence of which of the following rivers? So this answer here, this is absolutely factual question on the state geography in the drainage system. So this is there is a this river is Mohana and Leela Jan river. So at the confluence of Mohana and Leela Jan river, so there is Falgu river, it is called Falgu river. This is Mohana and this is a Leela Jan river. Leela Jan river. Right? So answer of this is A for 134. Question number 135. In Bihar, the tea gardens were established for the first time in which of the following place? So this was there in the this was there in the it was in Pothia and Thakurganj, right? So this is in the block of Kishanganj. So this is Thakurganj and the Pothia, it was there. So answer will be B for 135. Question number 136. This is the correct. This choose the correct order of the following district of Bihar as per the ascending decadal population growth. Right. So if you see this population growth there in the these three districts, Kishanganj has been there 30.40%. Madhepura is 31.11%, and then Siwan is 22.70%. Right. So on the basis of this data, this is asking in the ascending order from low to high. So this high will be there in the Madhepura, highest there in the Madhepura, and the lowest is in there in the Siva. So this is answer is simply B. Right? This is also the state geography question. Right? Next question is 137. Which food industry dominates among the agro-based industries in Bihar? So we have to focus on agro-based industries. Right? So that is the main focus of this question in the Bihar. Sugarcane industry, cereal-based industry, pulse industry, more than one of the above, and none of the above. So in this, there is a more of the production of cereals are present. So this agro-based industries are there on the cereals base, not sugarcane, because this zone does not produce much of the sugarcane, right? So this answer simply of this question is B, cereal-based industries, right? So this answer of 137 is B. Question number 138. At the end of the mountainous journey at Attock, right? The Indus River is joined by which of this river from Afghanistan, right? Now Attock is a place in the Hindu Kush hills where rivers leave the mountain and flows in the Indus plain, or the part of Indus plain, right? Or that is a part of the Indus basin. So that river which flows there in that plain, Amur Darya is not there. Amur Darya comes from the Tajikistan and then goes into the Aral Sea, right? Kabul River is the answer because it comes from Afghanistan and joins Indus River in Pakistan. So this is the answer for this question, right? 139. Which of the following is a well publicized wildlife campaign in the world launched in 1973? So in 1973, our one project was launched. This was Tiger Project, right? So this is answer for this is B, Tiger Project in the 1973, right? Next question is, which of the following statement is true about troposphere, right? average height is 13 kilometer. It is a topmost layer of the atmosphere. The atmosphere of this layer at this layer increases with the temperature at this layer increases with the height. More than one of the above, none of the above. So now see there, it is a topmost layer. If we divide this whole atmosphere into different layers, this is first layer is troposphere, this is tropopause, mesosphere, this is this is stratosphere. I'll correct it. This is stratosphere, this is mesosphere, and this is ionosphere, and this is thermosphere. Or this is whole is a thermosphere, and ionosphere is a part of thermosphere. So this is a first layer. It is a lowermost layer or confined to the surface of the earth. But here what is written? It is a topmost layer. So this statement is wrong. Temperature at this layer increases with increasing height. Here temperature decreases with increasing height. So this statement is also wrong. More than one of the above, none of the above. So more than one of the above is not possible. So this is because these two statements have been removed away. Now here is either 1 or 2. Now see, the height of the troposphere is about 16 to 20 kilometer there in the equator, and about 8 kilometer at the poles. So this is about 20 plus 8, 28. So this will be about 13 to 14 kilometer per for 13 to 14 kilometer is average. So there we can go with the option 1. So answer is A. Next, the southern continent broke from the Pangaea is called. So if we see this quantitative theory, there on the earth the two continents were there. Another part it is called Angara land. It is also called Laurasia. Southern part it is called Gondwana land. It is called Gondwana land. So this is, it is from Pangaea. It's called the Pacific Ocean. No. Laurasia. No. Laurasia is this northern part. Gondwana land. Yes. Because it is asking the southern continent. Right. So this is, answer is simply C. It is very simple and factual information. Next question is, the Arctic region and the Antarctic continents are situated near. So if we see there at the here on the earth, this northern part it is Arctic, southern part is Antarctic, right? So these are situated near which? Antarctica continent and Arctic region, right? So this Arctic region and this is Antarctica continent. Here Amazon basin, absolutely not. Sahara desert, absolutely not. South, North and South Pole. So this is our North Pole and this is our South Pole. So this is answer, right? More than above, more than one of the above. No, this is not. Answer is simply C. Easy question of this. Question number 23. 143. Which state of India have common border with Myanmar? Now see, I just want to say this one important thing, that I have uploaded one video on 19th December. 19th December. The title of the video is States with Neighboring Countries. Neighboring countries. States with neighboring countries. Right. So you can find out this video there in my this video list. I'll share the link also. So in this state, in this video, I have discussed each and every states which are having the border with the neighboring countries. So if you see there, this you will find the answer very easily. Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram. So kisse we have to say they are from the Myanmar, right? So simply answer is B, right? So next question is 144. Which of the following is the world's richest region from the marine biodiversity perspective, comprising 21 islands with estuaries, beaches, forests of the near shore environment, seagrasses, coral reefs, salt marshes and mangroves. So this is all these features existing there on the coastal areas. So now we have to see which the feature belongs to which of the this topography or the area. So this is Sundarban Biosphere Reserve. तो ये नहीं होगा. It will not be there. Why? Because the reason for that is there is coral reef is absent there, right? If you see the characteristics or the conditions for growth of corals, the first important information or first important condition for the growth of coral is they grow away from mouth of rivers, because the heavy sedimentation at the mouth of river block the mouth of the corals, so they cannot grow very largely, or they cannot grow very smoothly there, right? So that is not an ideal condition or the physical condition for the growth of corals, right? So this first option is wrong. Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve. It can be the option, but let us see this what is given in the other option. Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve. This is not there because this is located in Uttarakhand. Right? More than one of the above? No, because two options are wrong. So there, none of the above? No. So our option is left with the B. So this in the B, so we have all these features matching there with the Gulf of Mannar. So answer is simply B. Right. So let us move to the next question. Which of the following type of climatic regions do Uttar Pradesh and Bihar falls as per Köppen's classification? Abhi, if you see there, the Köppen's classification, the entire Gangetic plain from west to east has been demarcated in the CWG climate. So this is CWG climate, right? Thereafter, India's territorial limit extends towards the sea up to how many nautical miles from the coast? देखो, the same question again, 146 question. Again, there is my video on 17th December in 2022. Right? The title of the video is Maritime Zones. Maritime Zones. Right? So in this video, I have discussed all the maritime zones of the coastal areas, including UN clause I have discussed. So there it is already I have recorded. I have given this all the information, or you can say this is there is a my approach of teaching is always exam oriented, right? So there I always teach what is there in the examination, or what can be the possibility of asking the questions, right? So simply answer is 12 nautical miles, right? Next question, I'll share the link of that videos in my this discussion. Next is, which of the following river valley is rich in coal reserve of India? देखो, the India's Damodar River Valley is called the Ruhr of. It is called Ruhr of India. Why it is called Ruhr of India? So there is a Ruhr River Valley there in Germany, which has heavy deposits or the huge deposits of coal. So there is a deposits of coal. So therefore answer will be Damodar River Valley. Next question, let us move. Which of the following statement is true about sugar industry of the India? Sugar industry. Right. So about the sugar industry, their first is Uttar Pradesh is the second largest producer of sugar cane in the so Uttar Pradesh is the second largest producer of sugar, right? This is one. Number two, it is weight losing industry. Yes, because the raw material for sugar is sugar cane. It is sugar cane. So sugar cane is bulky product. It is a bulky product, and from this bulky product we produce a less amount of the sugar out of it, right? Maharashtra has emerged as a leading sugar producer in the country. This is absolutely correct. So there Maharashtra is the largest producer of sugar cane. So consequently sugar has also been produced in the large quantum in the Maharashtra. So that the first statement is this is correct, right? And also this is correct, right? So this is also correct. So there is a one more than one of the above. So this answer will be D, right? Next question. Towards the end of summer, there is a pre-monsoon shower, which are common phenomena of Kerala, coastal areas of Karnataka. Locally, they are known as mango shower. So this is helpful for the ripening of mangoes, right? So this is called mango shower, right? Thereafter, nor'wester, it occurs in the West Bengal, right? Nor'wester occurs in the West Bengal. Then after, atmosphere is mainly heated by. Atmosphere is mainly heated by. First option is long wave terrestrial radiation, short wave solar radiation, reflected solar radiation, more than one of the above, none of the above. देखिए. So when these sun rays come, they are on the surface of Earth. These are called short wave. Short wave solar radiation. And must remember, the short wave solar radiation are transparent. Transparent for atmosphere means they directly reach there on the surface and they do not have any heating effect on the atmosphere. So this option is absolutely wrong. Reflected solar radiation, no. So when this heat is absorbed there on the surface and radiated back into atmosphere, so there are the different factors, the gases, the cloud cover. So this is responsible for heating the atmosphere. So this is a long wave terrestrial radiation. So long wave terrestrial radiation is the reason for heating the atmosphere. So there are other processes also there which are responsible for heating the atmosphere is conduction and convection. And also this is there's one more factor is there, that is a radiation. So radiation which takes place from the surface of the earth, one factor, two, and then three factors are responsible for heating the atmosphere, right? So this is the answer. The long wave terrestrial radiation is responsible for heating the atmosphere. So answer is A. So these are the 20 questions being asked there, and there was one more question in the exam, that was in the current affair. For that answer was Monalva clearly. So I hope you have done this answers very correctly. I wish you all the best. I hope कि आप मेंस लिखें और मेंस में अच्छा परफॉर्म करें. और मैं अपने ज्योग्राफी का एक बैच में चलाता हूँ वर्षा आईएएस एकेडमी में. उसके लिए आप अपना ऐप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. इफ़ यू हैव लाइक दिस डिस्कशन, you can subscribe my channel for further discussion. So I'll be coming with the new videos and the more videos which are completely exam oriented for UPSC and other state PCA services. Thank you so much. God bless you all.